Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Tradell.io dropshipping tool. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Tradell.io. After that, open the official website and then sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then create one to continue along. Once you are on the home page, this type of interface will be displayed. As you can see, there is some content that is locked. In order to unlock it, you will need to get a paid plan. But the free features are also very good and practical, so you don't necessarily need to upgrade. Here, a bunch of products picked by AI will be displayed. Simply scroll down a little bit and choose one. Once you have got the desired product, click on it and a bunch of information regarding the product will appear. At the top, the product cost, selling price and profit margins are also available by default. The product links that you can use for your drop shipping also present below the prices, and there is also an extra perk of finding the best supplier on a preferred platform. If you scroll down a little bit, there will be a fulfillment feature available that will tell you about the product cost, the shipping fees along with time taken, as they may vary depending on the country selected and the total price. In order to import this product to your Shopify store, then you just need to link your Shopify account and click on this button to initiate the import. Below it, there is a product demand chart present that will tell you about the seasons at which the demands increase or decrease. There is also a saturation meter and a region interest maps that shows the locations at which the demand ratio is higher. At the bottom, there are reviews present that you can use to display on your dropshipping store. In the left side panel, there is another tab present called Current Trends. Inside it, you will be able to find the products that are currently trending. So if you click on one, you will be greeted with the same interface and information. There is also a fulfillment section, but as you can see, you will need to have a paid plan in order to use it. That's how you can use Tradell.io dropshipping tool. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.